So the Masters of Public Administration program is really geared toward students who are interested in public service, whether it be the nonprofit or public sector. So students who really want to make a change in their community. Our core curriculum really focuses on communicating the underpinnings of what the public sector and nonprofit sector are for. If you're interested in the position in working in local government, county government, state level government, federal government, the MPA in general is just a really good program for you. If you're really interested in working in the Pacific Northwest, I think we're an excellent program. We have a lot of networks, but also our curriculum is very applied. In the last 2 terms of the MPA degree program, students engage in something called the Capstone, where they basically work with a paying client on an actual project with an actual deliverable. And so not only is it a good learning experience for students, but it also provides a great networking opportunity for students to learn what a position in the public sector is like, what kind of projects would you work on. A lot of our students actually do multiple internships because, again, part of this is figuring out what do you want to do after you graduate, right? And so in that sense, sometimes you end up doing something in the nonprofit sector and you're like, that was not for me. You're like, I want to do something in the public sector, or you tried both. So I'm always encouraging students to try different things and see what's a good fit for them. Also, our coursework in budgeting, financial management, program evaluation, public management, all really help prepare students for any sort of job in the public sector when they graduate. We're also a pretty small program, so we only have about 10 to 20 students. Students really get a lot of one-on-one attention. All the faculty serve as academic advisors. So when I work with students, I really ask, what do you want to get out of the program? Where do you see yourself? What kind of job do you want? We just want to make sure you get the job that you want, right?